Today we're making chicken with oranges and roasted celery. Simple ingredients, restaurant quality flavor. Juicy, tender, with a bright citrus twist. Let's get started. For this dish, you'll need the following ingredients. Peel the garlic. Press the garlic straight into softened butter. Add fresh orange zest. This brings a vibrant aroma. Finely chop the rosemary and add it in. Mix well until smooth and fragrant. Carefully loosen the chicken skin without tearing it. Place the butter mixture under the skin. Spread it evenly under the skin. Season the chicken generously with salt and pepper. Cut the orange into chunky pieces. Stuff the chicken with the orange pieces for extra juiciness. Slice another orange into neat wedges. Arrange the wedges in the baking dish. Place the chicken on top. Roast for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, squeeze the orange juice into a small saucepan. Let it simmer gently until slightly reduced. Prepare the vegetables. Peel the carrot. Peel the celery root. Chop the carrot. Chop the celery root. season with salt and pepper. Add your favorite spices. Add some vegetable oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Toss everything together. Add the vegetables to the dish. If the chicken starts to brown too much, cover it with a piece of foil. Roast for another 40 minutes at the same temperature. Brush the chicken with the orange glaze. Finish roasting for 15 to 20 minutes until golden and crispy. Enjoy your meal! And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.